just on this episode here, we've taken the VN for a drive. As you can see, I'm in the car right now. Just still rough around the edges. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. We'll just be going over the VN and just yeah, just having a bit of fun. All right, just pulled up. Let's see if there's anything else happening with this car, or she's all going to be all sweet, ready to go. Right, mission over. Still weeping out of there. It's not a major leak. Definitely needs to be fixed. Engine's ticking over nicely. Must have liked that good run, getting up to 100. Just warmed up. No other major leaks going on. Yeah, right. Oh no. I'm gonna get home. That tire's almost about to go flat. So annoying. Well, I somewhat made it home. The tire is gone. This must have went flat just before I got home. Well, take this off and chuck one of the other ones on. Alright, so end up changing the tyre, it's all good. Haven't taken for another run, but I'm going to give it a little shampoo vac, just to see how clean we can get this girl up to. Alright, let's get into it. Well, so far it's looking a lot better. It's hard to really tell, but I can see it's a lot cleaner. Not really any stains. Maybe the mix I did was a little bit strong. She's definitely frothing up. Gone for a bit, but yeah, maybe a little bit too much bicarb. Let's clean that out. Then I'll continue. Attempt 2. I got it out for the third time. She's running. Feels a lot smoother. The second hand tyre that I put on, still a little bit doughy. Probably has about 15 psi on it. So got to pump that up. Just went to the servo, put some fuel in it. She seems to be running pretty good. Idling smooth. Might have somebody keen to look at it tomorrow to buy it. So could be the last video with the old girl. Yeah, so I'm pretty well going to start a couple other projects. I just bought another car as well, XF station wagon. I think it's XF anyway. Has the same front end as the panel van I've got, and I've got to start making a start on them ones. I'll do a little walk around of them ones there, and yeah, let's see what the channel's got coming next. All right, guys, back home now. Yeah, so the VN, it's sold. It's gone. It's actually been a couple of days. It's been about 3 or 4 days since it's been sold. This is the next one. So I'm basically in the progress of doing a will it run type of video with this one here, which will be coming out soon. I've just gave it a massive clean, so got rid of all the moss and bird shit and stuff like that that was already on it. This door's a bit tight to open. Oh, got it. Started cleaning out the interior as well. This one here is going to be a video coming out soon, so just have like a will it run, and she's actually quite tidy, this wagon. Yeah, there's a bit of rust in it, but it's not that bad really. She's pretty straight as well. Probably like, probably slightly better than the panel van. So this project here is just going to be a quick, get him done and just get him painted. And then try and sell just to try and make some money, because really, I haven't made any money off any of the cars since I've started working on all these cars. So let's check out these other ones. I've also started digging a trench because I want power to my back shed. Yeah, I've had no power to my back shed for like, I don't know, 3 years or something like that. I don't know, it's been too long. Panel van, have not touched him really. There's one job I have done actually, is I used the Carby rebuild kit and I end up replacing like put them all out, not everything. I haven't need to do the gaskets or nothing like that, but I end up replacing all of these little ones. So like that one, that one, that one. I don't even know what they will do. Like I replaced all of them. So there shouldn't be really any, because I had a bit of trouble starting the XF, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to replace all of them. And they're actually really easy to do. Didn't really take long. I think if you want to replace all of them, you can probably do it like within an hour or something like that, I reckon. Like, it's pretty good. Yeah, not much else has been happening with the Ford. Just in the progress of chasing up some parts. Gonna go away, go pick some up soon. Yeah, all right, the HQ. Still haven't done nothing with the HQ besides cut off some sections and still stare at how bad the steel panels are going to be to do. I actually I fired it up the other day and actually didn't take that much to get going and still idled quite nice, and yeah, I was quite happy with it really. Got to get back onto this old girl though. I do want to do a decent job on it though. So basically the plan is, once I get the 2 Fords done, hopefully that gives me a little bit more cash flow and I can get the HQ Ute done. This is the car I do want to keep, the HQ Ute. It's one of my favorite type of cars, so yeah, keen to get this one done. She's still looking all clean underneath here. Not perfect, but still good. Yeah. Alright, that's all for the HQ really. Yes, won't be long till I have some power. I'll finally have power coming in here. Yes, can't wait. The VL. Haven't done bugger all to the VL. Besides, probably I drove it, I think last time I was at home, I reckon. I think. Yeah, she's just sitting here accumulating dust. Still looking all clean. It's the car, like, oh yeah, I wouldn't mind taking it back out again for a drive. It's good to drive this thing around. I enjoy it. She's just sitting here, not really doing anything else to the VL. Like, there's probably I could tie up the boot, and that's probably about it. That's probably gonna happen in the future. The old EJ. Yeah, I haven't done anything to the EJ as well. It's probably sat here the longest without being touched. The only thing I wanted to probably do is get the screen out from the fuel tank down in there. Just pull him out and just get rid of the screen off there, so it just sucks fuel up straight up. And then yeah, just keep replacing the filters until it's all clear. Cause yeah, we did the Carby rebuild on one of the episodes. I don't know if it was on this one, the HQ, but I still rebuilt this one here as well. But yeah, she still runs pretty good. I don't know for the long run if I'm going to keep this one. Like, she is pretty cool though, but I prefer the VL and the HQ just because they're more practical for driving. This here, if you rip the engine out of this and just put like a 186 or something like that in it, yeah, it would be really nice. With a 4-speed or something like that, a bit of fun. Yeah. Yep, still nothing done. But I'll get onto this one though. Probably more close to the end of the year, maybe, possibly. Probably Christmas break, might be able to take them for a spin again. For the rest of the day, I've got to do a bit of editing and I've got to clean up all this stuff because we're doing the electrical trench and hopefully the electricians come the next couple of days. It's still a bit painful dealing with electricians. Now I know. Yeah, I've been doing renovations inside the house as well, so I haven't really been trying to do too much with the videoing and stuff like that as well. So I just got to do a bit of a tidy up, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this update of what's happening now. Just a quick little update, and yeah, the VN's gone. So yeah, I was gonna do like how much I earned and how much I spent on it and stuff like that. Instead of me like writing it down, I can give you like a rough thing. I ended up selling it for 2.8, which people might be surprised I even sold it for that. But at the end of the day, it is a manual. So the conversion alone's worth 1,500. So, you know, on a good day, or someone that really wants it. Yeah, I think I paid like 1,200 for it, and then I bought both the glasses front and back. They were like 300 for both of them. I think it worked out to be. There's like mates, like that was like a wholesale price as well. Brand new radiator, I think that was like 160, 170 or something off eBay. And all the other service and stuff, spark plug leads, spark plugs, you know, all that stuff. I ended up buying brims and stuff like that, just the stockies. They were cheap as well, but ended up putting rego on, have to get an engine number check as well. So I don't think I made any money whatsoever on the VN. Like, I might have made like $100 maybe, maybe if that. But yeah, that's the VN. She's all gone now. Some young bloke's got him now, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Yeah, the next Willet run will be coming out with the XF wagon. They'll be coming out in the next fortnight. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Catch you on the next one.